Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows install could not be completed error on your system, then please watch this video. Now here's the thing, basically if your system has all the requirements for Windows 11, then it's not a problem. But I'll tell you something, when you upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11, okay, the system requirements are significantly different. The recommended system requirements are 8 GB of RAM, 64 GB of free space. Now, while other requirements will be sorted out at the very beginning, the issue is that the requirements with the space, I mean the 64 GB of space, will not be addressed at the very beginning. And since Windows 10 just needs 16 GB and Windows 11 needs 64 GB, there is a considerable difference. So open the file explorer and go to this PC and check that you should have around 100 GB of free space at least. Okay, it says 64, but you'll need a little more. Just make sure that you have at least 100 GB of free space. If you don't, try to search for disk cleanup, open disk cleanup, go to OK, and then check all the boxes here. Okay, and then click on OK and delete these files. If this helps, well and good. If not, then straight away go to the download folder and try to delete any unnecessary files in the downloads folder that will they take up a lot of space. Okay, so these are two things that you can try, and then you'll obviously have to delete genuine files. There's nothing else that you can do to create space, or else you can just consider staying on Windows 10. So I will make it better. This is specific to Windows 11. Okay, it doesn't usually occur with Windows 10. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.